Girl, you try to mess up the superhost status, but you can't. You can't. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. So happy to have you guys here back with me this week. Last you guys saw we were still in St. Kitts. We are home, we're at the house, and yesterday we had such an amazing time hosting a friend that most of you are probably familiar with already. He's invited us to so many dinner parties at his house, so it was so nice for me to host him here at ours. We're talking about the infamous Raymond. Raymond is my white friend. Raymond is my mark. If you know, you know. But yeah, Raymond and his mom came to see us. She lives not too far from here, and he's actually with her. He's taking care of her. He's such a good son. They drove about an hour and a half to come see us, and we had aperitifs and dinner. It was quite lovely. One of the most wholesome. The fuck is going on here on this wall? Alright, we need to talk to Angel about that. Shout out to Angel. Angel is our cleaner, overall maintenance and management guy that we have our own at our Airbnb. He's been great help. Girl, good help is so hard to find. We like to come up and go through and see the little things that most people don't. And I don't know, maybe I'm a perfectionist. I tend to not miss the little things that most people will, because when I walk in, I'm solely looking for what the guest is going to see, or just the experience that the guest will have, and you know, little checks like this, and you know, which is good. No one is going to take care of your business the way how you would. And yeah, also thank you guys for watching our previous vlogs and my previous videos. They're actually doing well. If you haven't seen Sunday's video as yet, please go ahead and do so. I'll have it linked in the cards and also in the description below. Wednesday's vlog is already edited and uploaded, ready to go live 10 a.m. tomorrow. So if you're seeing this, Wednesday's video is also up as well. We are on it. We are on it. We are doing the damn thing.
Started as a whisper, message from an new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away.
Quick change of outfit. Guys, it's feeling like fall up here. Right now it's 59 degrees. Let's check New York. Right now in New York, it's kind of cool in New York too. It's 68 now, but it's gonna go up to 74. It's a chilly day. Fall, is that you? Yeah, right. It's 68 in New York, and right now it's 59 up here. It's giving very much fall. This is Melissa's time of year in New York, guys, so this is her time to shine. And as a summer baby, I can say I am truly over the summer as well, so I'm not mad. Yesterday, I had a little mental breakdown after looking into the mirror. I was just not happy with what I saw, and I don't know, I need to get back on my shit. And you know, vacation, once I go on a vacation, I'm gonna enjoy myself. Once I'm there, I'm gonna enjoy myself. And I tell myself that I'm gonna do things. And you know what? Let me not be too hard on myself, because I did try to stay a little active while we were there. We went walking on the beach, we went swimming. You know, I was still, you know, getting my cardio and burning calories. But the eating, you know, I was eating up everything. Not to mention drinking. Drinking also packs on the pounds. It's all sugar, especially wines. You know, guys, you know I love wines. And last night I really indulged. I didn't finish my last glass, so I'm happy about that. I didn't finish my last glass. I think I had a total of one with dinner, and then I had one more. Yikes. And then I wasn't finished, so I refilled another time, and that was what was left. So not too bad. It could have been worse. Since we're getting back on track, I'm gonna try and eat a little lightly today. Melissa's having leftover. No, you want bruschetta, right? The bruschetta were bussing. You guys saw it was so good. So I'm gonna remake that, but I'm gonna also make myself a small little yogurt bowl and maybe have one bruschetta. We'll see, or maybe a half. We'll see. Cheese. That's it.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you guys, that's breakfast. I have my yogurt with granola and blueberries, and I only did one bruschetta. I don't know. The Italians will have my neck. I'm gonna quickly eat this. I don't want to get soggy. I try to toast both sides so it has a nice little crust there as well, because tomatoes are kind of water-based, so I need more cheese. Nothing beats freshly grated Parmesan, like from a block. A nice, clean. Did you guys fix it? Wait, did you guys fix it? I heard celebration. I want to be a part of that.
No, we're fixing it up nice and pretty so you can see it.
We want to be a part of the process.
This thing?
Wow, I felt a little heat. Yeah, come in. Okay, you cut yourself. Oh my goodness. So Angel got cut while installing the deck fireplace, because we're putting a fireplace in the little seating area that we have on the deck. It's gonna be so cute in the fall and the winter, because I don't want guests going into the fire pit in the back for several reasons I will not get into. But you know, you come to the woods, you want to be around a fireplace outside.
So you put the glass first, then the pebbles, or the pebbles first, then the glass?
Well, not really, because the glass sits up here.
Started as a whisper, like the sun on the world I'd never known. I've been waiting my whole life. Is this so? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around.
Oh, breakfast outside.
Suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic,
the reaction that the leather or the fabric can have. I have never really had a bad experience when it comes to the wall and of course into your bag, or a very dark navy or white light colored bag. So this is the other piece.
Hey you guys, you just saw me do a quick little inventory and restock the cabinetry with the dinnerware and glasses and stuff like that. Did an overall count to see if anything is missing. We're good so far. Melissa's gonna start working on lunch / dinner, but I'm excited for dinner. So yesterday we picked up 2 ribeyes that Melissa's going to throw on the grill. There's a lot of marbling.
That's what's needed to cook such a big thick cut of meat.
Yeah, without drying it out, right? Mm-hmm. Now that we're done with that, let's finish up our potatoes. They are finished. Just quickly use our colander. That's good. Whoa, that looks really good. Steak is ready, as well as our roast vegetables. We have roasted corn and carrots. This looks delish. Melissa just asking for a steak knife. We don't have steak knives here. These cut perfectly fine. Let's try it without the steak sauce. Ooh, that looks good.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
Good morning, everybody. We are back in New York. As you can tell from the obscene amount of noise and construction that is outside our apartment at 8:30 in the morning. Waking up to construction and traffic is truly a New Yorker's alarm clock, because yesterday I was waking up to birds chirping. The contrast is just out of this world. We're having a pomegranate green tea with a squeeze of lemon. I like my tea a little. So I have a 1 o'clock. I have a really important meeting today. Won't be talking about it, but when I can, I will. Today at 10, I need to drop off my brother's birthday money because we were away on his birthday. I just decided I'm not doing presents this year. I did, however, get my baby sister this art kit with watercolors and paint and crayons. She is the complete artist. Like, I truly believe that's what my father gave to his children, creativity. I love content creation. My brother is an amazing piano, keyboard, guitar. Like, he's very good at music. Destiny, the baby, she is just such a good artist. When I go over, I'll show you a few bits and pieces of her work. Joel and Matthew, they're also very creative. And I see my dad in his children. My father also has a very creative spirit. And I truly believe that that's where we got it from. But back to what we were talking about, because you know how me, a mile a minute. I'm going to go drop off birthday money to my little brother, Joel. Happy belated birthday, Joel. I know his birthday was last one. And I promise you, I'm not hearing the end of it. Ask me, hey, are you still coming over? Just to confirm. I flaked on them before. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not proud of it, but it's happened. But not for birthdays. I don't play with birthdays. Every birthday, I ensure that I try to at least make it special. And if I can't, I chug money at them. That always fixes it. So that's what we're going to do this morning. And then we're going to try and come back in time for my meeting. Today, I need some extra TLC. I did not sleep well last night. And honestly, that's my fault. So I'm going to do whatever I need to do to ensure that I'm feeling and looking awake, as well as it is the start of a new journey that I have decided to go on. I'm going to start 75 hard. I'm not going to get too much into it because I'm going to do a separate journey video for 75 hard. I'm going to make it its own content. I'm trying to think of, is there any other update that I want to tell you guys? Yes, we have a trip at the end of the month. We're going back to Washington, D.C. The last time we were there, I was able to get some content for you guys, but I want to also use it as a work trip for myself. Not only is it a work trip for Melissa, but it's also a work trip for me. So dedicated sit-down videos while we're there, outfit inspos, Instagram stories, pictures of all the outfits for posting on the Instagram page, and I might throw in a few TikToks as well. Now I need to go and get my water because it's 75 hard. One of the rules is that I have to drink a gallon a day every day. So let's just get started. Let me go get it. I'll be right back. Oh, it's a big boy. I love this. This is a gallon bottle and it has the times on it. So you have 7, 9, 11, 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. That's my cutoff window in regards to eating anyways, so it's perfect. I can literally just sip on this for the entire day. Before I start drinking, I want to add my biotin and collagen drops inside as well. So since today is going to be more of an errands and work from home type of day, we're not really going out. I want to put on my whitening strips. I got a 7-day treatment that I want to try out to see if there's a difference, because as a coffee drinker, coffee can really stain your teeth, and I'm a coffee lover. So it comes with 2 strips, one for the top, one for the bottom, and this is the Guru Nanda signature whitening strips for sensitive teeth. So let's try it out together. You're supposed to keep this on for 30 to 45 minutes. That's what we'll do every day for 7 days.
Magic. No, I'm never letting kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
Oh, she's cute. We love her. Okay, it's 9:20. Let me go get dressed and do a quick little TikTok.
Tell me, have you ever been made? A rich bitch gotta get paid. Oh my way.
Bring a bunch of sunny kind.
Birkins, Hermes, everything but scale. Stefan Dan.
Are you so excited?
Oh, I'm so excited. This was a long time coming.
Such a long time coming, but like, yay for us for actually like sitting down and doing the things and being like, you know what?
And we have to
we're just gonna
start.
push record.
Yes.
And we have to start and like just do the thing,
Yeah.
right?
Oh my god, you guys, that was lovely. We had our first meeting of this new venture that I'm starting with my friend. I don't think I've mentioned her on the vlog before, but her name is Didi. She lives in the South, a Southern belle, another feminine lesbian that is married to a masculine woman, so you understand the vibes. Soft wife life. She's a stay-at-home wife, also a mom, but she has a practice. Like, she has her own business. And I met her some time ago, and honestly it feels like I've known her forever. Those are the type of people that I want in my life, I need in my life. And the fact that she's here, I have my bestie, I have Didi. Plus, you guys, you guys know I'm a girl's girl. I'm a girl's girl. I love having beautiful, successful, passionate women around me. I met my best friend and instantly we clicked. And now I met another friend and instantly we clicked. I feel like I have been manifesting, asking to make and build new connection, new relationship with people that have the same desires and just on the same wavelength of myself and Melissa. And it's just really nice to find a couple. Didi and her wife Danielle and their son Phoenix. So cute! And for someone like me who's gay, a feminine woman that's with a mask that also wants a family, like I want children. Melissa and I, we've been talking constantly. We've been talking more and more about kids and starting our family and stuff like that. It's just nice to know a family, a gay family, and seeing that family dynamic and see how healthy it is, you know. It's so inspiring.
Falling for you, I can't keep away.